Jayaprakash Gandhi, career consultant analyst. Nice to see you back in the latest edition of Education News and Updates. First news is that Facebook has launched an online resource guide for education institutions and teachers across India. The Facebook online resource guide will tell you how to collaborate and continue the learning process using Facebook products. In fact, it is available in English, Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati, and Kannada now. And it is this particular online resource guide is being partnered with UNESCO. So it's a great opportunity for the institutions and the teachers to use this particular resource guide to make the students to learn continuously in digital platforms. Next is GMAT is going to be conducted online from April 20th. The registration is already open from Tuesday. In fact, GMAT is conducted for the admissions to management programs across the globe. Almost 2,300 business schools across the world accept GMAT. So great opportunity for the students who wants to do their management programs in abroad. You can appear online and the registration is already started. Next, very important news for the plus 2 students, the NEET JEE main exam is likely to be conducted by 3rd week of June. And I don't think it is going to be conducted before that. So up to 3rd week of June, the students has got tremendous opportunity. Make sure you start learning everything through online digital platforms. Next, very important news is IITs have dropped out, 7 IITs in fact have dropped out of the participation in Times Higher Education Ranking 2020. IIT Bombay, Delhi, Guwahati, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras and Roorkee is going to be dropped out of the higher ranking rank. This is mainly because they feel that the entire process is not transparent and they want more clarifications from Times Higher Education Ranking system people. Next is very important news again. It's really good news. In fact, the statistics analytics says there is 150% increase in online learning by the Indian students during the lockdown period. 150% increase. It's a great news. You have to keep learning. In fact, the analytics also shows that C++, Java, Python were the top choices. So these are the top news for the week. See you in the next week with more education news updates.